Hello, in front of me I've got Star Wars Outlaws. In this video I'll show you how to distract enemies and how to whistle. As you can see, this enemy is already distracted. In order to defeat him, press X or square button. Now let's reveal more enemies. There is one. And there's a second one. Here is the next one. In order to whistle, press and hold right arrow button.
She's here!
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.